Okay, I'm headed towards everybody that happens to have a balloon so far. I've already let my balloon go for Mom. And that's what this is. Everybody's write a note to Grandma and send it off with her wishes. Look at this family. Left to right. Steve, Nikki, Joanne, Kira, Beverly's back, Marie, Delaney, Candace, Cliff, Marshall, Barbara, Mary, her back's to us, and one of Victoria's sons. Here comes Annie. And another one of Victoria's sons. Oh, I would say go get one. Beverly got the same color I did, lavender. Michael sent one off this morning. It was a lime green. You see, Nikki has dark green. Joanne has bright red. Kira.
Oh, get your balloon.
Okay, Kira doesn't have a balloon. Mary has one and she's up front and center.
Oh, excuse me, I don't want to be in prison.
Oh no, let's get her. Here they go.
Love you, Mom. Bye. See you on the other side. See you on the other side. Yeah. See you, Beverly. Woo.
Oh. This is awesome. They're so beautiful. I wish I could get a close-up right now. It's like all a straight line. And they're going. Rob is always late. Oh, look, it's the two. Barbara can pick them. Goes
I'm the one with the martini glass.
That's O. Hey, Fowler.
Hey, you got any ibuprofen?
At home.
That's old school, man.
I did. There you go. Look at. Was that O's red one? Was that the red one?
I haven't seen it. The other one's green.
You should have seen him get on that thing and like.
It goes around the world like tomorrow morning. You see him on your front porch with another note on it saying something else. It'll blow.
What?
Where did you put my cigarettes?
Me?
The can and the black.
Joseph's is
You know, I think if they were big.
Okay, and last but not least, of course, Mom,
Rob.
you know,
Hey.
Rob.
It's the little kid's balloon playing tennis.
You know.
Huh? Good times. I miss you, Bev. Love Rob.
It's still drunk.
Bust it out when it comes back. Look at this one.
Look at that one, man. He's in a hurry.
No, I don't.
Look, they're catching up. They're catching up.
Mother Nature. She's not very nice.
God.